Hello guys, if you have been looking for the best time to trade boom and crash, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you the best time for you to trade boom and crash, how to go about it, when to start and when to end your trade. So these are some of the things I'll be sharing with you in today's video. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because it's going to help you to improve in your trading activities. But before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how to make some money online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you do, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you dive into any of the strategies shared in my videos on your real account. Before you try it out on your real account, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first. That is very, very important to help you to know how to go about it before you start using it on your real account. Okay, so that is very, very important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now? Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set the notification to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what the market is giving us today. Okay, so let's check out from boom 1000. Boom 1000 is presently going on downtrend. You can see after spiking up to this resistance level, it started pulling back and it went on a very long downtrend. If you should check it out, I'm using the signal indicator. The signal indicator gave us a sell signal here, which gives us an opportunity to pick up our 4-minute candles, and when it crosses the line we can even pick more, and it changes from blue to yellow, which means that it is going on a downtrend, and it came to this level. This actually gave us 52-minute candles in total. It spiked up a bit right now, and it's changed. The spike was long enough to change it to an uptrend, but how long will it go, we can't say for now. So let's see, we've gotten another self signal here, so we are most likely to see it spike around this line. Okay, around this line. So that is if it is going to go on uptrend, but if not, it will break out from this line, which means that it will go back on downtrend, and it might spike up on this spot, on this support level. But if it does not, then it's going back on downtrend fully. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000 using the crusher indicator. At the moment, crash 1000 is on downtrend. As you can see, it has been crashing down. It has been giving us more of drop down candles than uptrend candles. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500 using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, this is boom 500. It is presently on downtrend. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. It is also on downtrend. You can see the yellow line, and this is 1 hour time frame. So that is the way it works. So quickly, we will be stopping with our analysis here, and we'll be checking out what we have for today, which is the best time for trading boom and crash. But before going fully into that, I would like to let you know that if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and also switch on the notification bell to all notification. Okay, let's head back to the trading platform to finish up with what we have for today. Okay, like I said, what is the best time for trading boom and crash? This is one of the most common questions that I usually get every day. What is the best time? What is the best time? What is the best time? What is the best time frame to trade boom and crash? And I'm going to answer you in this video. Okay, it's not about the best time, because boom and crash or other synthetic indices are traded 24/7. Okay, it is not about the best time. Okay, most people coming asking about the best time, they are coming with the idea of the fiat currency. Okay, because fiat currency, due to difference in zone in time zone, okay, based on whatever currency you are trading, you tend to look for different time frame that will be favorable for the trading of that particular currency, most especially the time that the currency will be highly volatile, while there will be so much activities in the market with the currency you want to trade. But this time around, this is synthetic indices. It is traded 24/7, and also these assets are highly volatile assets. Okay, of course they are more volatile than each other, but it is more volatile. They are all volatile. They are more volatile than currency pairs. Okay, so they don't really have the best time frame. What you should be looking for is the best opportunity which you can jump into the market and pick up your trades and exit the market once you have meet up with your daily target. So what you should look out for is the best opportunity, not the best trading time, or not the best time to trade boom and crash. So let's go to the market and see when we can call the best opportunity. Okay, personally, if you are doing your TA without an indicator like this, you will have to look at the uptrend. You will have to look at the higher time frame to confirm the trend of the market, to confirm the support and resistance level. Then you come down to lower time frame to decide on what to do. Okay, right now you can, with this setup, you can trade from anywhere, either higher time frame or lower time frame. Just that you need to know that if you are trading on higher time frame, okay, probably the market is on uptrend on higher time frame and it says downtrend in 1 minute time frame, you should know that it has changed from that uptrend to downtrend at that particular time in 1 minute time frame. But the downtrend might be for a very short period, because on higher time frame it is still showing the other way around, okay, on higher time frame. So all you need to do is just to pick whatever you want to pick within that level and exit the market. So that is what I want you to know at this particular point. Okay, so like I said, all these assets are trend trading assets. So the first thing you need to do, I'm using boom 500 and I will also use crash 500 to do my analysis here, and the indicator I'm having on my system is called the QDC scraper indicator. If you are having it, so you can follow up with what I'm trying to explain, then you practice with it and see if it actually works or not. Then you can always contact me so that we can discuss on your performance with that. Okay, so let me quickly explain this. Okay, what are the best time for us to trade? Is number one, this is boom 500. Of course, the trend here shows that the market is on uptrend. Okay, so which means that buy signals favors more at this particular point. But if you are the type that don't know how to trade the spikes, or you are not confident enough to trade the spikes, then you should come to the sell level. Okay, check out here the sell level. It started from here. This is when the trend started, when we got our drop down arrow on our trend indicator here, and check it out. All you just need to wait for is the sell indicator. Okay, once you wait for the sell indicator, you can come in on the red. Each time you have your sell indicator popping up, you can come in and trade it on your red. Okay, once you have your sell signal popping up, check out if the trend is still red. If it is still red, then you can come in and trade. That is the best way to pick up the opportunity. This is 1 minute time frame. You can see it. This actually gave us 23 minute candles. Then you can see this again. This is still going. You can see it. This actually gave us 31 minute candles. The main purpose of you following the signal that supports the trend is, even when the market goes against you, let's say you miss this, and you came in here because the market is still red, the trend is still red, you came in here, and after getting like 3 candles, you are about getting the fourth candle, so that you close your trade and the markets went against you. Check it out. This is your entry point and it spikes up to this level, which means you will be in red at this particular point. But check it out, the trend is still red. All you just need to do is just to stay calm. Once you use a reasonable lot size that is okay enough for your capital to accommodate, then you don't need to be scared because it will definitely push you back to profit. Check it out. You are now in a lot of profit at this moment. So that is the way it works. That is the way it works. Okay, if you should take it backward again, you will see more opportunities. Each time you have your sell signal on the red, you will be able to trade for a very long time. Okay, each time you have your sell signal on the red, you will be able to trade for long. Okay, let's check out the buy area too. Check out here, we got it changes to buy here, and this should be our entry point. But let's check it out if it actually came down to this level before the direction of the trend will change. Check it out. Even right here, when it's reversed for a very long time, it didn't get to the our entry point, because if you should check it out, the entry point is where we have the white line, and if it had gotten to the entry point, you should be seeing the white line here, but we can't find the white line here before it went back up. But check it out, the trend changed back to downtrend here, so you should exit your market immediately. Exit from the market immediately, so you should be being in profit at the end of the day, because it's reversed a bit, but it has gone back up to put you in profit. Check it out. This is going to be for a very long time. So that is how sweet this is. Okay, so the same thing is applicable for a sell trend. Okay, once you have your trend here showing that you should be getting ready, once you have the drop down arrow, it shows that you should be getting ready to sell at that particular point. You can come in and sell, then sell for a few minutes, then exit the market, come in again once you have your red arrow popping up, sell for a few minutes, then exit the market. Then if you have enough trading capital, let's say you are having like $2,000 and you are using like 3.0 lot size or 2.0 lot size, okay, you can always be in the market from the beginning of the trend to the end. Okay, let's say this is the beginning of the trend, we decide to come in here on the drop down arrow. This is the drop down arrow, this is where we came in from, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, we've been, despite the fact that there are spikes in between, it's still going down. Okay, let's quickly check out crash 500 so that we get to see, let's try to balance it up. We get to see what is happening with crash 500 also, if it actually works with it or not. Okay, this is the best way to find your opportunity using the trend. Okay, check it out. The trend is telling us to get ready to buy from here. Okay, but we got our buy signal on this candle. Okay, we got our buy signal on this candle, so let's see if it actually dropped down to this buy signal at the end of the day. But check it out, we can't even see the entry, the trend line again. This is the trend line, we can't even find it. Not that there are no drop down candles in between, there are, but it didn't get to our entry point. Even when it's consolidated here, it didn't even get to our entry point. But when is the right time for you to exit your market? If you are going on a long trade like this, this is the right time for you to enter your market on this candle, because it shows that the market might be going back on downtrend any moment from now, because it is already telling you to start preparing for downtrend. And if it's going to happen, it's going to be a very long one, and multiple drop down candles will appear. You can see this is huge profit for whoever that is trading with this indicator right now. So this is how to go about it. I just want you to watch this video over and over. Make sure you put down some things, make sure you understand the way it works, have it set up on your demo account, and try to practice with it for a day and see the way it works. And you can always share your results with me, share your own opinion with me on WhatsApp. Okay, remember, this is my WhatsApp number and other contact details. It's easier for you to reach out to me via WhatsApp, and I'll be dropping all this in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so, and make sure you set the notification to all notifications so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So I'll be stopping here right now. If you love this video, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Okay, share with families and friends. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then.